This is going to be one of the best YouTube videos on how to create a PayPal account in Ghana 2025. The reason why I'm saying this is that over the past 2 years, I've been making transactions on PayPal, even though PayPal is not available in Ghana. And with PayPal, I've been able to withdraw and receive money from my side hustles online. And the main reason why I'm making this video is that most of you guys out there are struggling to withdraw your money when you do work online. In this video, I'm going to take you through the steps on how you can create your PayPal account. I'm also going to explain to you some things you probably do not know about creating a PayPal account. I'm also going to take you through the steps on which bank platform you can use to withdraw your money from PayPal directly to Ghana. And even last week, I was able to withdraw this amount of money from my PayPal account, and I got it right here in my Ghanaian bank account. And I'm going to take you through the steps on how to do this. Watch the video to the end, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you do your best and then subscribe. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to go to paypal.com, and right here you see where you'll be given the option to click on this flag at the bottom of the screen. And then right here, we're going to look for United Kingdom. Now, click on United Kingdom, and then from here, you'll be given this home page. You're going to click business because you'll be creating a business account. And from here, I'm going to click on sign up. Now, right here, you want to type in your first name and your last name. Here, you click on this code section and then you select Ghana. All right. So I'm going to type in my mobile phone number right here. And here, I'm going to type in my email and then password. All right. From there, I'm going to agree, and then I'm going to click on agree and continue on. I'm checking through if there's any mistakes. Okay. I'm going to go through the security prompt to verify I'm not a robot. Once I'm done, it's going to send me a test code to type in right here, and I am typing in the test code. Okay. There's an OTP code that they use to verify your account. It says activate your account to start using PayPal. All right. So click on let's go. And then from here, I'm going to select individual. All right. Click on continue on, because for a business and a non-profit account, you'll be required to give documents which you don't have. All right. So right here, your name will be there. And then I'm going to click on my date of birth and then put it in right there. Okay. At the nationality sections, click on the nationality section and then select Ghana, because you're a Ghanaian. Okay. Okay. So from there, I'm going to click on Ghana. Now with our address, you're going to select a location in London. The reason why we do this is that you can be a Ghanaian and still live in London. All right. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the word right. London. Anyway, you get it. Let's continue. So from here, I'm going to type in London right here. And then it's going to search for several locations. You can search for any location you know in United Kingdom. And then from here, I'm going to click on London Airport. Okay, London Airport Way, Leighton. So it's going to input the postcode and everything for you, and you're going to click on continue. Right here, we're going to tell people about our business, and so we're going to select just use your full name for now as the business name. And then here, the currency section, we can set it to British pound or United States dollars or any currency you want. With the products and services, you can select which best suits you. For my case, I mostly go with telecommunication equipment and phone sales. I'll select my monthly income to be the first one, which is between 0 to 10,000 pounds. If I have a website, I'll put it in there. I don't have, so I select no. I'm going to use my business address to be the same as my residential address. All right. So this is it. Most people work from home, so their business address is the same as their residential address. Click on continue, and from there it says congratulations, you are all ready. We've created our PayPal account without any problem, and that is how we create it. It's very simple. All right. Once you do create your account, you need to verify your email, and so we're going to head on to the email service that you're using. Right here, I'm using Outlook, and I'm going to click on it and click on confirm email. Once I click on it, it's going to take me to the tab once more, and I have to type the password and click on login. And then here it's going to confirm that it's me by sending an OTP code either on WhatsApp or a normal SMS message. So I'm going to click on it, and then I got a code. It's 163744. So from there, I'm going to click on submit. And you can cross check to see if you made any mistakes. Click on submit and it says you are all ready. All right, so your email address has been confirmed, and then you can click on continue. All right, and there we go. We have successfully created our PayPal account without any problems under just 6 minutes. All right. Now, the main problem here is that when you get the money into this account or this PayPal account, how are you going to withdraw the money? There are two banking platforms that I'll show to you in this video, which can help you withdraw your funds. I've been using it personally, and I've been able to withdraw my funds into my local bank account. So the main issue most people are facing is the link, the bank account section, or link Visa and debit card. Right here, you see that I'm getting the option to see, it says, hi, welcome back. And I'm going to click on link a bank account. All right, it's requesting for a UK bank account. And most of you might be wondering, where can I get a UK bank account whilst I'm in Ghana or any other country apart from United Kingdom? It's very simple. I'm going to show you two platforms that you can use. The first platform that I know of is called Payoneer. Payoneer is an online payment platform that gives you bank accounts in several countries like United States, United Kingdom, China, Europe, and a whole lot of countries. Right, so you can see right here on my dashboard that I've been using Payoneer for a while now, and I've been withdrawing funds from PayPal. So this is my Great Britain account. Okay, so you see, you're using receiving accounts for local bank transfers, and then you're going to use the bank account Payoneer will provide to you here. The details right here by clicking on view info, and once you get the details, you can then fix it in onto PayPal, and then it is going to link. So once you withdraw your money from PayPal, it's going to land in your Payoneer bank account, and then you withdraw from your Payoneer bank account to your local bank account in Ghana, being it Zenith, EcoBank, Standard Chartered, and all the banking platforms right here in Ghana. One tip that I like to give you guys is that when you do create your account in UK, there are less transactional fees in the UK. So that is why we created the account in the UK. All right, so another banking platform that I know of, and I also use that banking platform as well, is Gray. Now, Gray is similar to Payoneer, and it's very easy to create. I got my account verified in the first day of creating the Gray account, unlike Payoneer. So you can choose between these platforms and then use one of them. I'm going to leave links in the description so that you can click on each of these banking platforms and then link it to your PayPal account after you watch this video and create your PayPal account. With Gray, you'll be given bank accounts in the US, British, and then Europe. Okay, so you can see my British pounds, and then you can see right here that when I click on it, I can convert money, add, and then send money. Now I'm going to click on get my UK bank account, and it says that confirm your name. And right here, I can click on yes, it is correct. And then it says your UK bank account is ready. And then you can click on view account. And just like that, we've gotten our UK account. In our next video, I'm going to take you through the steps on how you can use this UK account to link to the PayPal account that we just created. It's very simple. That'll be all for today. I'll leave links in the description. If you don't understand anything, leave it in the comment section. And I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.